हेलो एवरीवन। तो जैसा आप देख सकते हैं कि आपको जैसे कि पूरी रो को मूव करना हो, इफ़ यू वांट टू मूव अ कंप्लीट रो, देन you needs cut paste, or you will delete the whole row, and then I mean you will copy the whole row, then you will paste it. So what you need to do, if you want to interchange the rows and the values gets aligned by itself, just click on this on here. Let's select the 5, click here and then press shift key, and when you come here, when you see this cross, when your cross will be made, then you double click and then move. If you want to move it last, then it comes. Wait for a drop here and will move. And if you want to move this whole row on the upper side, then again select this row, press shift, continuously press shift and then double click and then move it on first. As you know, things are gets aligned by itself, so it's a very easy task to do. Be like you wanna do this, press the shift key and then move it in the end. Things aligned by itself, and it's very easy. Thank you so much.